Today we are working on the services for a new net zero build. We're running in the water lines and waste lines to the property, so that way we can backfill the road so we don't have to open it up again. Despite the heat wave we're in, our excavator is working hard. Guys are working hard. Once the services are complete, our guys are going to start digging for the foundation. We found a ton of rock in this area as expected. They're going to try to break it up with the excavator. If they can't, they're going to bring in a chipper. Unfortunately, it's going to cost a little extra for the homeowners, but it's something that needs to be done to get to the depth we need for the foundation.
Yeah, we're with Shipman Surveying, and basically what we did today was set the excavation stakes for the excavator to dig the hole in the depth of the site here. We have 2 crews and we do about 4 to 5 jobs, or 5 to 6 jobs a day, residential, commercial, and farming and severing lots off and whatnot.
Behind me you can see the 323 bailing out the rock, and we have the backhoe breaking the rock. We're just starting into the foundation, and then after that, once we get our services in, the City of Ottawa comes and gives us the okay, we're clear to continue breaking the rest of the foundation.
Yep.
Hi, this is Brian from The Conscious Builder. You are watching episode 4 of our net zero build in Wellington West. We're posting a new video every week, so if you want to stay up to date, make sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the button to my right. We're going to be laying the groundwork for our footings, so hopefully you check that out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.